Welcome everyone, we are delighted to have you here today in our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of technology and its endless possibilities. Today, we are setting our sights on the captivating realm of artificial intelligence, or AI, and the incredible opportunities it presents for monetization. Yes, you heard it right. AI isn't just about robots and science fiction, it's a practical tool that can help drive revenue in real, tangible ways. So let's dive into the heart of the matter. The 5 ways to monetize with AI. First up, we have software and app development. With AI capabilities, software and apps can offer personalized user experiences, predictive analytics, and much more, opening up numerous avenues for monetization. Next, we'll explore how consulting and advisory services in the sphere of AI can be a goldmine. As more businesses seek to integrate AI into their operations, there's a growing demand for expertise in this field. Our third stop will be the world of education and training. As AI continues to evolve, so does the need for skilled professionals who understand how to harness its power. This creates a ripe opportunity for those able to provide relevant education and training. Fourth on our list is the sale of data and AI models. In the age of information, data is king, and AI models are its queen. Companies are willing to pay big bucks for high-quality data and efficient AI models. Last but not least, we'll delve into how AI can revolutionize marketing and advertising. With AI's ability to analyze and predict consumer behavior, marketers can run highly targeted campaigns that yield better results. And there you have it. A sneak peek into the dynamic, lucrative world of AI monetization. We'll be taking a deep dive into each of these methods, exploring how they work, giving real-world examples, and guiding you through the steps to leverage them. So buckle up for a thrilling ride through the futuristic landscape of AI. Stay tuned as we delve into each of these methods in detail. Our first method of monetization is through software and app development. This is a vast field with limitless potential. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has revolutionized the world of software and app development. It's not just about creating a product anymore. It's about creating an experience that learns, adapts, and evolves with the user. Think about the apps and software you use every day. Perhaps it's a fitness app that learns your habits and tailors workouts to your preferences. Or maybe it's a language learning software that adjusts its curriculum based on your progress. These are examples of AI at work, providing personalized experiences that keep users engaged and coming back for more. Now you might be wondering, how do I monetize this? Well, there are several avenues to consider. One of the most common methods is through a subscription model. Users pay a monthly or annual fee to access your software or app. This provides a consistent stream of revenue and allows you to continuously improve and update your product. Another method is through in-app purchases or premium features. Users can download and use the basic version of your app for free, but they'll have to pay to unlock additional features or content. This can be a great way to attract a large user base while still generating revenue. Partnerships and collaborations are another avenue to consider. You might partner with other businesses or influencers to promote your app and offer exclusive content or features. In return, you could receive a portion of the profits or a fixed fee. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of data. If your app collects user data, with their consent of course, you could potentially sell this information to other companies for marketing or research purposes. In conclusion, software and app development is a dynamic and lucrative field. It requires creativity, technical skills, and a keen understanding of your users' needs. But with the right idea and execution, software and app development can be a goldmine. Next, we have consulting and advisory services, a critical aspect of any business venturing into AI. When artificial intelligence comes into play, it's not just about coding and algorithms, it's about understanding the business landscape, identifying opportunities for AI integration, and crafting strategies that drive growth and innovation. That's where consulting and advisory services come into the picture. Think about it. Companies, especially those new to the AI field, often find themselves in uncharted waters. They need guidance on how to leverage AI effectively, how to navigate regulatory concerns, and how to manage potential ethical implications. This need opens up a vast opportunity for those with the right knowledge and skills to step in as consultants or advisors. Take, for example, Accenture, a global professional services company. They have a dedicated AI consulting practice that helps businesses transform their operations using artificial intelligence. They help their clients identify the best AI technologies for their needs, develop a strategic roadmap, implement the solutions, and even manage the change within their organizations. Another example is McKinsey & Amp Company, a renowned management consulting firm. They offer AI advisory services that cover everything from strategy and governance to AI ethics and risk management. They work with clients across various industries, helping them harness the power of AI to solve complex business problems, boost productivity, and gain a competitive edge. So, how can you tap into this lucrative field? Start by building your expertise in AI. Understand the technology, its applications, and its implications. Then, learn about the industries you want to serve. Understand their challenges, their needs, and their goals. Once you have the knowledge, you can start offering your services. You can provide strategic advice, help with AI integration, offer training and support, or even develop custom AI solutions. The possibilities are endless. Remember, in this role, you're not just a tech expert. You're a strategic partner, a problem solver, and a change agent. You're helping businesses navigate the AI revolution, seize opportunities, and create value. And in the process, you're carving out your own niche in the booming AI industry. Offering your expertise to others can be a rewarding and profitable venture. Our third method is through education and training, a rapidly growing sector in the AI industry. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, so does the demand for skilled professionals in this field. This creates a tremendous opportunity for those with expertise in AI to provide education and training, turning their knowledge into a revenue stream. Think about it. Every day, more and more businesses are looking to leverage AI to improve their operations. But without the necessary skills and knowledge, they're left in the dark. That's where you come in. By offering education and training, you can help these businesses unlock the full potential of AI, and in the process generate income for yourself. Now let's look at some examples. There are countless courses, programs, and certifications out there that have successfully monetized AI education and training. From online platforms like Coursera and Udemy, offering AI courses to universities providing specialized AI programs, the opportunities are endless. Take, for instance, Stanford University's Machine Learning Certification Program. This program not only equips students with valuable skills but also generates substantial revenue for the institution. Similarly, online platforms like Udemy have thousands of AI courses, each bringing in income for the course creator. So, how can you get started with offering AI education and training? First, you need to identify your area of expertise within AI. This could be anything from machine learning to natural language processing. Then, develop a curriculum that caters to your target audience, whether they're beginners or advanced learners. Once you've done that, you can offer your course on an online platform, or even create your own website to host it. Remember, the key to successful monetization is to provide high-quality, valuable content that meets the needs of your audience. In doing so, you'll not only be contributing to the advancement of AI, but also creating a profitable business for yourself. By sharing your knowledge, you can help shape the future of AI while earning a profit. Moving forward, we have data and model sales, a cornerstone of the AI industry. This realm is where artificial intelligence really flexes its muscles, and let's dive into why. Data, as we know it, is the lifeblood of artificial intelligence. It's the raw material that fuels AI algorithms and helps them learn, adapt, and deliver outstanding results. But not all data is created equal. High-quality, well-structured data can make all the difference in the world of AI, and that's where data sales come into play. Companies with robust data collection mechanisms can package and sell their data to other businesses that are looking to train their AI models. For instance, a company specializing in autonomous vehicles might be interested in buying traffic data to improve their navigation algorithms. Now, let's talk about AI model sales. Once an AI model has been trained on a rich dataset, it can be a valuable asset. These models can be sold to other companies, saving them the time and resources they would have otherwise spent on training their models. A classic example is the sale of pre-trained natural language processing models, used extensively in sectors ranging from customer service to content creation. But what does the process of selling data and AI models look like? First, it involves ensuring that your data or model is of high quality and offers value to potential buyers. It also means making sure you're in compliance with all relevant data privacy laws and regulations. Then, you need to find potential buyers. This could be through direct sales, partnerships, or even creating a marketplace where buyers can browse and purchase your data or models. Companies like OpenAI and Databricks are excellent examples of businesses that have successfully monetized their data and AI models. They've managed to create a thriving ecosystem around their offerings, proving that with the right approach, data and model sales can be a profitable venture. In the world of AI, data is gold, and selling it can be quite lucrative. Finally, we have marketing and advertising, a field that has been revolutionized by AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become an integral part of modern marketing and advertising strategies. It's not just about predicting consumer behavior anymore. Today, AI has the potential to understand it, shape it, and even to simulate it. Companies around the globe are leveraging AI-powered tools to make their marketing and advertising efforts more effective and efficient. Take, for instance, the use of AI in personalized marketing. By analyzing data from various sources, AI can help businesses understand their customers' preferences on a deeper level, allowing them to tailor their marketing messages for maximum impact. A prime example of this is Netflix. Their AI-based recommendation engine generates personalized suggestions for every user, keeping them engaged and increasing the likelihood of continued subscription. The more a user watches, the better the AI understands their preferences, and the better its recommendations become. This creates a cycle of engagement that is highly beneficial for the company. AI is also making waves in the world of digital advertising. It's been used to optimize ad targeting, ensuring that the right ads reach the right people at the right time. Take Google, for instance. Their AI algorithms analyze a user's search history, browsing behavior, and other data to display ads that are most relevant to them. This not only increases the effectiveness of the ads, but also improves the user experience. Similarly, AI chatbots are being used to enhance customer engagement and drive sales. These chatbots can answer queries, provide recommendations, and even process orders, all without human intervention. They're like virtual salespeople, available round the clock and capable of handling multiple customers at once. By leveraging AI in your marketing efforts, you can reach your audience more effectively and increase your profits. It's not just about selling a product or a service anymore, it's about creating a personalized experience for your customers, and AI can help you do just that. So if you're not already using AI in your marketing and advertising strategies, it might be time to start considering it. And that wraps up our exploration of how AI is reshaping the world of marketing and advertising. By leveraging AI in your marketing efforts, you can reach your audience more effectively and increase your profits. We've covered a lot of ground today, and hopefully, you found these methods to monetize AI interesting and informative. Let's quickly recap what we discussed. Firstly, there's software and app development. By incorporating artificial intelligence into your software or app, you can create innovative products that meet specific user needs. Think about AI-powered fitness apps or language learning software. They're not just useful, they're also quite profitable. Next up, we have consulting and advisory services. If you're an expert in AI, then you have valuable knowledge that businesses and organizations will pay for. Offering your expertise as a consultant can be a lucrative career path. Thirdly, there is education and training. As AI continues to evolve and grow, so does the demand for knowledgeable professionals in this field. By providing education and training services, you can help fill this gap and make a profit while you're at it. The fourth way to monetize AI is through data and model sales. Companies are always on the lookout for valuable data and AI models to improve their operations. If you have the skills to create these resources, you could sell them to interested parties. Lastly, we talked about marketing and advertising. AI can revolutionize the way businesses market their products and services. By using AI to create personalized marketing campaigns, businesses can reach their target audience more effectively. These are just 5 of the many ways you can generate revenue with artificial intelligence. We encourage you to explore these methods further and see which one aligns best with your skills and interests. Remember, the world of AI is vast and constantly evolving, offering endless opportunities for those willing to dive in. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting and informative content on the world of technology. For those of you who wish to delve deeper into these topics, we have some additional resources for you. Firstly, for software and app development, there are numerous online platforms like Codecademy and Udacity that offer courses specifically targeted towards AI development. When it comes to consulting and advisory services, check out resources like the AI Consulting Toolkit by OpenAI, which provides a comprehensive guide on how to start your own AI consultancy. For education and training, platforms like Coursera and edX offer a range of courses from beginner to advanced levels in AI. Data and model sales can be a bit trickier to navigate, but resources like IBM's Data and AI Marketplace can provide a starting point. Finally, for marketing and advertising, look at case studies from companies like Marketo or HubSpot, who are leading the way in AI-driven marketing strategies. Remember, the world of AI is vast and ever evolving. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep innovating.